Hi, welcome to this tutorial on getting started with Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based platform, and many of you may be familiar with it already. A quiz-type game that kids really like, very interactive, and it can be played live in a classroom, or it can be played self-paced, and we'll look at those features as we move forward. So to make your way to Kahoot, you can just do a quick search for Kahoot. There's two places. Kahoot.com is where we're going to make and create those games. Students can create those games as well as teachers, which is a really useful tool for assessing what students really know, is to have them make their own games. And then there's the Kahoot.it or Kahoot.it, and that's where you actually enter the number to play the game. So you see both of those results here, the Kahoot.it, which says play Kahoot, and enter the pin. To create Kahoots, we want to go here just to the Kahoot.com. If you already have an account made, you can go ahead and log in with that. If not, you'll see the Kahoot homepage here, and we'll want to come over here to log in, or you can do the sign up feature as well if you don't have an account yet. You'll want to tell it that you're a teacher, and then it will allow you to also sign in with your Google ID. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here since I already have an account. And again, maybe it's an email or there is your login with Google credentials. My account actually precedes the login with Google credentials. So mine's with an email right now, but you certainly might use your login with Google, or if you haven't created an account, you can do that as well. Across the top here, there are the basic menus. We're on the home page here. They've got some news feeds here to see some different ideas from teachers. As well as your Kahoots. You can also look in your school. You'll see right now that my account is a premium account. That's because of sort of all the COVID-19 free activations. Our school does not pay for that. And so that does come with some of the premium features, which you might see in some of the tutorials. The Discover menu here, the Discover menu is where you can look for all of the pre-made content created by other teachers. They have collections. You can do a search. You can look for those. The Kahoots option is where you're going to find all of your Kahoots that you've created. So you can scroll through and then you can see all of the different Kahoots that you've made or any that you've favorited, those kinds of things. And then lastly, the reports feature is where you can see all of the results from your Kahoots and go back and look at questions, look at those kinds of things with specific students or specific questions that you wanted to see. So those are the basic menu options across the top. Thanks.